How to fix KB5034857 fails to install in Windows 11. Here, select the largest portions of the data used. These typically include temporary internet files, Windows Update, temporary files, recycle bin, delivery optimization files, and others. Marking Windows Update is vital here. You should check your system for malware, and if none is found, you should disable security software temporarily, especially if it is a third-party app. You can use the built-in Microsoft Defender. Open Notepad. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Type Y and press Enter. Type Y and press Enter. Now restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, the Media Creation tool can be used to upgrade Windows 11 manually, bypassing the typical update process. This is particularly useful when traditional update methods fail.